What's up everyone, welcome back to Senior Olympic Gaming. Today we are comparing two different Aramid Fiber phone cases for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. One is the LATERCASE, which is a fairly well-known brand, and another less expensive version that I found from Amazon. And so let's open that one first. This is from a brand called Calibri. It comes in a fairly basic box. Retails for 35 Canadian dollars, and that includes shipping already from Amazon. Inside the box we have the case itself and a cleaning cloth. Pretty basic, no big deal. The case itself looks really well made. All of the cutouts are really well done. No sharp edges. And I'm pretty impressed with how this one looks. I was quite surprised at how decent this is. And if we open up the LATERCASE, which is stronger than steel, it says, which I think they mean the package because it was hard to open. There we go, we had to cut it open. The LATERCASE, even the box is premium. You can just tell that you're paying for it. The LATERCASE retails for 76 Canadian dollars, and that's over twice the amount of the Calibri. Comes with instructions on how to install, and the case itself in a padded box. The LATERCASE, as expected, really well done. Cutouts look good. One thing I don't like about the LATERCASE is the exposed top and bottom. Only the corners are covered. And if you compare them side by side, they look practically identical. As you can see, there's some slight design differences. On the LATERCASE, only the three main camera sensors have the protruding camera bump, and if you compare, you can really tell that the Calibri one is quite a lot thinner than the LATERCASE, but that's okay. It's a minimal case. You kind of want the thinnest one possible, right? Another difference is from the side. You can tell that the LATERCASE wraps around the sides of the phone a lot more than the Calibri one does, which we will see here once we put the cases on the phone. So the Calibri, we'll check that one out first. Snaps on pretty well. It doesn't have that nice snap sound that the LATERCASE has when you put it on, and looks really good. All of the cutouts are nice and precise, as you can see there. And then the S Pen comes out really easily, no problems there. And yeah, it feels really good. It's snug enough even though it doesn't snap really tightly. And like I said, on the side there's quite a bit of room left. If you look closely, you can see the antenna band on the side telling you that it doesn't really wrap around the whole way. As for a lip, there is a minor lip here. You can see that there's a little bit of space in between the screen and the table that you can probably, I don't know, put a piece of paper through. That's as much space as there is there. And that's the Calibri. Let's try the LATERCASE on. Snaps on really well, really snug. Let's clean it up a little bit. Yeah, I really like, I prefer the bump on the LATERCASE, I think. It just looks a little more symmetrical. And then on the side, like I said, it wraps around a little bit more. As you can see, there's no peaking antenna band there on the sides. So it feels a lot better when you're holding it from the sides there. There's on the corners, there is a bit of a bump, as you can see here again. It works well on a smooth surface, but that's about it. If you have a screen protector, I think it'll be flush with the table already. S Pen comes out really well, which is no surprise. There's nothing covering the bottom there. And yeah, this is the LATERCASE. I guess in the end it boils down to personal preference. Like I said, the Calibri is only half the price of the LATERCASE, but the LATERCASE does have better grip on the sides because it wraps more fully. But then the Calibri has the tops and bottoms covered, unlike the LATERCASE. I personally like the camera bump on the LATERCASE more, so there's pros and cons to both of them. But majorly it's the huge price difference, I guess. I'll probably swap out between these two cases just to make a final decision as to which one I think is better. I might post a video of that in the future. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Cheers guys, bye.